Hey guys, Happy New Year. Welcome to 2020. My name is Chris Crease. I am a photographer and videographer based out of Tulsa, Oklahoma. Let's get into it. There's a lot of things that I'm looking forward to this year and a lot of things that I want to see. Here are a couple of things that I am looking forward to this year. This is my short list. This doesn't include everything that's going to come out in 2020, but this does include a couple of things that I find interesting that I'm really looking forward to this year. CES 2020 is in a couple days, and as far as what's coming out of the show this year, I'm really looking forward to headphone tech. I travel for work, and having headphones and quality headphones that block out noise is a big factor for me. Mostly, I'm looking forward to hearing about the WHM 1000 M4 headphones from Sony. The Verge wrote about this a couple weeks ago, wrote up an article about these new headphones that are going to be the continuation of that line of noise canceling headphones. I love the previous model. They are outstanding, lightweight, noise canceling. They have the feature where you can let in ambient noise have a conversation by cupping your right hand over the ear cup, and the weight is fantastic. I would love to see what they do with this year's model as far as improvements in features, battery life. I just want to see what they do with it, especially when you consider that if you travel for work. Speaking of headphones, I would love to see Apple this year put out a pair of Beats Studio Pro headphones. The Solo Pros were fantastic for what they were, on-ear headphones that had really good noise quality, and the transparency features plus the ability to sync with iOS. If you're an iOS user, you put on your headphones, you open them up, they sync to iCloud, and you can use them on your iPhone, your iPad, your MacBook, whatever device you have, and easily switch between them is a big selling point, and it's a feature that I am very much a proponent of. And so to hopefully have a over-the-ear model this year, which would just provide better noise canceling because of it encircling the ear instead of being on the ear, I would be very much excited to see that. So here's hoping that that happens this year. When it comes to photography, everybody's been talking about Panasonic and the S1H for its video capabilities, and it's been super impressive. Everyone has also been clamoring for an A7S III from Sony. That would also be impressive, and with the rumor mills spinning and everybody looking forward to it, I'm hoping that sometime this year during an event, Sony would release a model that, even if it's not an A7S III by name, is an A7S III in specs and performance. Granted, you want something that makes users get the more higher end performance cameras, but this would be a great B camera or A camera in its own right for production and run and gun performance. When it comes to lenses, Sigma released a 35mm f1.2 lens a couple months ago, and what I would love to see this year is Sony respond and drop a couple first-party f1.2 lenses themselves. When you look at other camera systems such as Canon, who have the 85-1.2 and the 50-1.2, it would be great to have that first-party option coming directly from Sony themselves. I would love to see these lenses come out as G Master lenses, be the highest performance primes that you could get on the system. Drop it in July, August, towards the third quarter of the year. Make it something that everybody looks forward to for the condo trip, and it would be one of the most ideal things I think that they could do this year. Finally, when it comes to the production side of things, I would love to see Apple do an updated version of the iMac. The iMac has been the same for a really long time now in terms of shape and physical appearance, but when you look at the Mac Pro, the MacBook Pro that just got recently refreshed, I would love to see thinner bezels, possibly a larger screen, but still keeping the ability to upgrade the RAM when you open up the back, and so just a more capable performance unit that you get at an entry price of the $2,200 range, and then you can customize it however you want from there. So that's it. That's my short list for the most anticipated tech for me for 2020. Let me know what you're looking forward to in the comments below. With that said, my name is Chris, and I will talk to you later.